Hi, this is Namita. As a business owner or an entrepreneur, you always need to focus on your core business and leave the balance to be managed by the experts from their fields. With MNCs expanding and new startups popping up every day, and in an economy as huge as India, you really need to have an edge over your competitors. Oops! You need to have a powerful game plan to have a strong feet in the market. You can be a notch above your competitors if you invest in the right human capital, that is your employees. Well, it is not as easy as it sounds, and getting a good workforce can be a tough task. Have you ever thought how an employee life cycle completes its course? What stages and process it goes through? So let's have a look at a quick snapshot. It all starts with the manpower planning. Job description, job search, and job post is the first step. Potential employees are shortlisted, interviewed, and appropriate ones are hired and brought on board. As you start working, calculation and processing of time and attendance and leave request need to be taken care of. During his work, his travel arrangement and expense needs attention. As the month ends, the employees needs their salary on time, isn't it? You need to process their payroll and pay them on time. Once the payments are made, the employee needs a transparent information system wherein they can verify their salary and expenses. They need their salary slip published in their mobile, and that too online. Crazy, no? Once the self-service portal provides the details of their salaries, the employees now needs to know about their PFs and their ESIC and then engage with his organization. Based on his performance, the employees are evaluated or engaged in training session. Employees stay and grow. Few move on when they feel it is the need for the moment. Full and final settlement is equally complex and needs to be managed. And as we say, history repeats itself and the life cycle of employees continues. Wouldn't it be great if the entire employee cycle is simplified and centralized? Every process under one umbrella? Pleased to introduce you with a human resource staffing company, Piscean. Pan-India presence with 100% compliance, fast recruitment with digitalized payroll, timely payment with minimum attrition. Need an employee in Kashmir or Kanyakumari, Delhi or Mumbai, Gujarat or Guwahati? Piscean can help you search, shortlist, interview, and then bring the employees on board across 29 states of India. Sounds challenging? Need to start business or need to expand your existing enterprise? Diwali approaching requires scaling up of production and marketing. Wish to start a new process and like to outsource it? Fed up with the labor department? Require 100% compliance? Do not want to pay cash? Oops! The law does not allow you after demonetization. Expedite your salary payment, and that too online. Now that you recognize our benefits, let us figure out what services you can get from Piscean. You want to put your existing staff on Piscean's payroll? No issues. Your existing staff can continue to work with you, but all the entire temporary staffing process is outsourced to our company. So no searching, no shortlisting, no interviews, no onboarding, no payrolling, no training, no skilling, and no compliance. Just focus on your core business service. That's why you're here in the industry, to expand business and to earn profits. Leave all your human resource to us. Wondering what will be the process of putting your existing employees on payroll? Just sign a contract and leave the balance to be managed by Piscean professionals. Not month, neither week, only a couple of days, and the employee process cycle is on. Simple, easy, and quick. Now you concentrate on the performance of employees rather than on human resource processes. Issuance of appointment letter, maintaining attendance, processing payroll, compliance, salary payment, all of it is our duty. Great, you are recruiting a new team. Obviously, you cannot manufacture talent, you need to recruit it at the first place. So identifying job requirements, preparing job description, searching for employees, shortlisting them, conducting interviews, selecting appropriate candidates, and then checking employees' background, and finally onboarding them are all our work. So where do we get these employees from? Yes, you guessed it right. Primarily through employee references. Sounds interesting? Not to forget social media and the campaigns on it. A lot is spoken of National Skill Development Program and Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana. So why not help the country and recruit the 1,000 listed under these programs? After all, what could be better to build the country than creating employment? And who knows, you may get the best of your employees out of these programs. Also, the good old traditional print advertisement and job portals like Monster and Naukri.com. After all, they are the backbone for recruitment. You hear, you forget. You see, you remember. You do, you understand. Too philosophical, right? But that is exactly why training is important. It all starts with the orientation program of the new employees. Training helps to familiarize them with the organizational missions, vision, rules, regulations, and the working conditions. It enhances productivity, reduces supervision cost, provides greater job satisfaction, security, and growth of employees. Have you ever thought, what if we train them and they leave? And what if we do not train them and they stay? Too much solicitation, huh? Let me make it easy for you. Python can do both on the job and off the job training for your employee. What? I can't hear you. You are asking for video training? Yes, we do it all to enhance your employee productivity. Quite handy. You know that India has as many as 37 legislations that governs labor law. Not just that, these 37 legislations are all different in 29 states. The complexity does not end here. The state government issues notifications on different dates. Scratching your head? Crazy, isn't it? Don't worry, we track all 29 states, 37 legislations, and that too all 365 days. So sleep well. Your human resource is in trusted hands. Python ensures timely compliance and adherence to all labor laws including PF, ESIC, bonus, maintenance of statutory registers, records, notices, and returns. You know that we work hard and litigation is not our cup of tea, but we make sure that it is easy for you. So yours is 15-member startup or 25,000 employee enterprise level organization. However simple or complex your HR process or rules may be, I'm sure you'll look for productivity, accountability, and trust to engage in business. Python provides end-to-end staffing solution with a philosophy of work with difference. We have a scalable module with hire to retire philosophy. So what are you waiting for? Let's get staffing.